Hey guys, so we have here a recirculating sluice that you're going to use to process any of your concentrates, either out of a dry blower or anything like that. So you put the material in, run some water down it, and it'll collect all the gold and all the real heavy material in these little riffles or little pockets here. So now we're going to set up the recirculating sluice. So the good thing about this is that you don't have to pan as much material and it will sort it out for you. So this is a ROE or what's called Ryan Oldfield Engineering recirculating sluice. This is made in Australia, which is fantastic. So the great thing about this is you can basically, obviously it has the matting, recirculating sluice, you've got the pump, battery, and a tub of water. So the good thing about this is you can set it to any size tub. You just unscrew the screws on the bottom, just loosen these, and then this extends out to go over the top of your tub. Like so. Like that. So you can set it to the right size, do your screws back up and lock it in, and then you can loosen these and adjust it up to height as well. Just a bit more. So I can then lift that up depending on how much fall I want on it, how much material I'm processing. I can adjust all that to suit. So yeah, really good setup, and we'll run some material through. All right guys, so we've got this set up now. We've got it at a kind of low angle, so won't process heaps of material, but we don't have a lot, so that's fine. So next step is to put our pump in the water, like so, and then we can turn the pump on. So just one of the things that we have added to this, we just put like a little ball valve on here so we can adjust the flow. So if you want to dial that down, there we go. So you can see there, if we want to slow down the flow, we can adjust that ball valve, or we can dial it back up if we want more water running through it. So that's probably a good amount of flow. So now we're going to add some material in. So you can see this can handle quite a bit of material, and you can see it getting all trapped in here in the matting. So when I put the material in as well, I'll try and even it out so it's not all running down like one section of the matting. Yeah, but see how you should be able to see these like little vortexes running. Because the lighter stuff. Yeah, but see how it's still moving? Well, that's where we can dial the water up. Or the angle. So that's more water. See, or you can make it more steep, which will wash more of it out. But see, like you always see how there's less in these ones. That's where you got more water. See, so the more water you have, like the more material and that you can run. Do you know what I mean? So if there's gold, it'll be trapped in these little pockets up here. So the water comes through, and these little drop pockets, that's where the heavier stuff will collect. So hopefully, if there's anything in there, it'll be trapped in these little pockets. So I'm saying you still have to pan it after you take it out of this. You wash all that into the pan, but obviously you only end up with like a half a cupful, yeah. Want to run through this other stuff? So all the heavy stuff, see, like should get trapped. I don't know. To see how it's moving. That's what happens, that vortex makes the heavy stuff come around and it'll displace a looser bit. That's like last resort stuff down the bottom. Up here is where you want your gold. Hey guys, so if you like this video and found it helpful, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.